Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I hope you're enjoying the start of my blog mini-series called Memory Keeping with Video Made Simple. In today's blog post, I shared a little bit about the process I've developed to create monthly videos using short clips I've recorded of our normal daily routine. The two things I'm utilizing for this process is my iPhone and the iMovie app, which you can find in the iTunes store. If you're an Android user, I'm certain you can find similar apps that would provide the same result. Okay, so first things first. Throughout the day, your goal is to grab little snippets of video when you can as memories are being made. My advice is to keep the clips around 2 to 5 seconds long to reduce the storage space being taken up on your phone. Now, the beauty of this project is that creating the monthly video can be done at any time, as your schedule permits. For me, I like to drop my clips in each evening before bed. This helps me to stay on top of the project, but you can certainly do this once a week or even at the end of the month if you wish. Okay, let's get started with how to create these monthly videos. Launch the iMovie app. Once inside, under Projects, click the add symbol and choose Movie. Next, select a theme for your movie. There are several ones to choose from. Then, click Create. Next, tap the little clip selector on the left, then choose Recently Added, and then choose the clip you want to start with. When you tap on the clip, a little drop menu shows up. Click the arrow to drop the video into your movie. Now, as you can see, it shows you how long your clip was. In this case, mine was 5.3 seconds. I want to shorten it down to about 1 second, so when I tap it, it highlights it in yellow, and then I drag the slider down to 1 second long. As you can see on the screen, it shows me the time frame that I have remaining. Now I want to add the date to today's clip. I select the T in the bottom of my screen and a menu appears allowing me to choose from different ways of adding text to my movie. I prefer to use the standard method and then opt for it to be positioned on the lower left hand of my screen. By tapping the text boxes, I can then remove or edit the text that will show on my clip. I am now ready to add another clip into today's video. I go back to the little clip selector on the left, choose Recently Added again, and then choose the clip I want to drop in. Once again, I'm able to highlight the clip in yellow and drag it down to a shorter time frame. In this case, again, I want 1 second long. One thing I want to point out is once you have multiple clips inserted, you can then edit the way the clips transition between each other. Another thing worth noting is that you can edit the sound per clip by tapping the little sound icon at the bottom of your screen. Then it shows a slider where you can adjust how loud or quietly you want your clip to be. Is also at the bottom of your screen. You can tap these 3 little dots to show a various menu of filters that you can apply to your videos. I personally don't really care to use any of these, but there are some fun ones in there if you feel like being creative. Once you've dropped in all the clips you want to add for the day, you can replay your movie and preview it using the play button. When you click Done in the upper left of the screen, you are taken back to the main menu where you can then edit the name of your project by clicking on it. I personally like to name the project using the month that I am working on. At the end of the month, when you've completed adding all the clips to your movie, you simply click the Export button from this screen and save the movie. I usually add mine straight to Dropbox so I can create a copy on my computer later. When you click Export, the menu will ask you to choose a size to export in. It is that easy, my friends. I just know you're going to love this project, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful and inspirational. I have already found this to be a very rich and rewarding way of recording our daily memories. I hope you find it to be the same. I'd love to hear about your own projects or answer any questions you may have. Please feel free to leave your comments on my blog post or find me on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter at Turquoise Avenue. Happy memory keeping!